When Fat Ass 45 held his Klan rally in Michigan on Thursday, basically the bullshit that he spewed made no fucking sense whatsoever. National Institutes of Health Director Francis Collins has said Thursday that the images of people not wearing face masks at Fat Ass 45's Klan rally in Michigan left him pretty disheartened. Collins had made the remarks during a coronavirus town hall on CNN hosted by Anderson Cooper and Dr. Sanjay Gupta. At Fat Ass 45's overcrowded Klan rally in Michigan, many attendees could be seen without face coverings and failing to observe social distancing guidelines. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, have recommended that people wear face masks and remain 6 feet apart during mass gatherings, but some Republicans have chosen not to follow this advice. Collins decried that choice Thursday by using the metaphor of an extraterrestrial visiting Earth and observing the behavior of its inhabitants during the pandemic. When you went around, you saw some people not wearing masks and some people wearing them, and you tried to figure out why, and it turned out it was their political party. Collins said you would just scratch your fucking head. This is not a planet that has much promise for the future. If something that is so straightforward can somehow get twisted into decision-making, that really makes no sense whatsoever. Collins continued as a scientist. He said that he's pretty puzzled and rather disheartened. But the Newsweek article had reached out to Fat Ass 45's re-election campaign for comment. When wearing masks to help curb the spread of the coronavirus has been espoused by healthcare professionals, including the director of the CDC, Dr. Robert Redfield. Cloth face coverings are one of the most powerful weapons we have to slow and stop the spread of the virus, Redfield said in a July press release. Particularly when used universally within a community setting, all Americans have a responsibility to protect themselves, their families, and their communities. Fat Ass 45 said in July that while he did not necessarily reject the idea of wearing face masks, he understood that some individuals may feel that a mandate violates their civil liberties. I want people to have a certain freedom, Fat Ass 45 said, adding that he disagreed with the assessment that if everybody would wear a mask, everything disappears. He doesn't want people to have freedom anyway, so... Although the U.S. coronavirus pandemic began in January, Fat Ass 45 did not wear a face mask in public until a July visit to the Walter Reed National Military Medical Center. In September, Fat Ass 45 spoke about Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden's habitual donning of a face mask while in public. It gives him a feeling of security, Fat Ass 45 said. If I was a psychologist, I'd say this guy has some big issues. Yeah, if I was a psychologist, I would say that your fat ass has some big issues. Biden calls Fat Ass 45's attitude towards mask wearing macho stuff that cost people lives during a September interview with CNN. He said that presidents are supposed to lead, not engage in folly and be falsely masculine, Biden added. And, yep, so that's about it there on that one. So if you like the video, give the video a like and subscribe to my channel, Ryan Van Wyk, and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when a new video comes out, and thanks for listening.